Good morning. It's 23rd of June, Friday morning. Here, 8 a.m. coming up. Covering US 30 mean reversion first. We see on the daily here coming back down off this sell point. Can't quite break past the supply zone up here at 34,000, which is all good. So here we are working back down. You might see them using a different kind of candle here at the moment. There's significant upgrades happening to the strategies right now. So for right now, this is pushing to the downside on US 30. So I dare say it's going to continue down to this area here, 32,800. So bearish skew on US 30. We look at US 30 here, 1 hour. See that we are pushing back down at this significant area of demand here, 33,800, holding there. Okay, and it could hold here and kick out. We'll see. Next floor is down here at 33,500. Okay, and then if we look at it in the 5-minute US 30, it is definitely in a strong downtrend. Or not a strong downtrend. It's just a pretty cruisy downtrend. Our next area of demand is down here at 33,700. Okay, so looking for a buy out of this area here. Okay, nice mean reversion trade there, or anything up here. On the 5-minute will be nice as a sell. Okay, and that on the 2-minute, if we zoom in on that on the 2-minute, that's what it looks like on the 2-minute time frame there. So right up here is a really nice sell. We can hang on to that sell for a little bit longer. Okay, and it'll cruise, and then also here we've got the mean reversion now on pound. British pound. Let's just have a quick top-down analysis of British pound for mean reversion traders. Those of you that are trading mean reversion solely, just stay on that until, if you're in a group mentorship, stay on that until we discuss otherwise. But here, British pound is still strong uptrend. Okay, strong uptrend. Will it hold here at 126.847? We won't know. It's rejecting at the moment. If we look at it on the 1 hour. Okay, we get some bullish buyback. Nothing pierced this floor here at 127. It's still solid. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get another little drip feed down here. Okay, and fill this area of imbalance. To the left-hand side here, we have imbalance here still to fill. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came back down here and kicked out. If we look at it on the 5-minute time frame, British pound is pretty flat. This area of demand here held again yesterday. Nice buy area today at lunchtime. And the next floor with this is just here actually, just down here. So that's the next area. If it drops down, okay, it's going to hold down at 126,500, 126,600. Okay, and you can sell anything around this area here. Actually, let me just take that one there. Anything in that area. If we look at it on the 2-minute time frame, this is the 2-minute time frame. Sorry, yeah, that's where we're looking at to sell. So anything in that area there is nice to sell on British pound. Okay, at 127.485. So those of you that are trading advanced flow scalping, I'm going to quickly go over a couple of trades we did yesterday. Our oil trade, we're in a strong downtrend on oil. See that this was the 1 hour plan on oil yesterday and actually fulfilled. I was looking for a possible drop to all the way down here. I'm still getting used to the distance that the things can fall, but I was looking at this demand zone here, but really impressive how oil moves to the downside. And I dare say it's going to continue down there. On 1 hour, we see this is a kind of tentative order I've got in. I need to see it break above this area first. But yesterday was really successful, and we actually ended up making it all the way down here. So we had those 2 3K trades in, and this was actually ended up being a 4.5K trade, and it dripped all the way down the bottom. So all in all, this would have been a 7K trade, which is lovely. If we look at gold's pegging down at the moment. We are in a downtrend on gold. Okay, we did break the major floor here at 1920 yesterday. Okay, and I dare say that we're going to continue to the downside. So I'm not looking to buy this at the moment. I think it's going to continue coming down on the lower time frame. That does look like a nice breakout buy here if it works. But I'm not because of the shape, the way that it's coming into the open, I dare say that we're probably going to get this kind of action. So that's just a tentative look. If we get a strong push yesterday on our NASDAQ trade, if we just go across our NASDAQ trade yesterday, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, this beautiful trade we did on NASDAQ at the open ended up pushing all the way up here to the second levels, the original level of supply. We were waiting for a 1500. We were here live as it went through to this area of supply. Okay, rejected back, worked the first floor that it was pushing past, exactly, hit that, then moved up. We closed here yesterday for a nice $3,000 profit, 3.5K. But it kicked back to this area, then pushed to the upside. So just getting used to how that rolls. But NASDAQ did grind to the upside and made it all the way up to 15,000. So today, just looking at what NASDAQ's doing, see, it could come back down the mountain on the higher time frame. I really can't tell what's going on here on the higher time frame at the moment. So that's the NASDAQ. Really excited to start live trading next week with the advanced team, and I'll be introducing it to everybody else shortly once I I don't want to confuse anybody with what I'm doing. So those of you that are in training on mean reversion, continue doing so, and those of you that are now moving into advanced flow scalping as well, I hope this information is useful to you. At the moment, oil is that's kind of, I'd like to see that break above there. Like we can see that we've crossed over here on the guppy, so we're crossing up through here at the moment, and we'll see what happens. It's been a very fast downfall, but I dare say it could still continue all the way down to 72 as planned. Have a great morning, and I'll see you guys next week. Looking forward to it. Cheers.